curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. What is the invisible, microscopic blueprint that builds every single living thing on Earth? Welcome to Cell Theory. From the largest elephant to the tiniest blade of grass, what do all living organisms have in common? In 1665, scientist Robert Hooke looked at cork through an early microscope and discovered tiny boxes he called cells. Soon after, Anton van Leeuwenhoek looked at pond water and was the first to see living, moving microscopic cells. Years later, scientist Schleiden studied nature and concluded that every single plant is made entirely of cells. Just a year later, Theodore Schwann discovered that all animals, no matter how big, are also made of cells. Finally, Rudolf Virchow proved that cells don't magically appear out of nowhere. They only come from other living cells. This created the famous cell theory. It has 3 rules. Rule number 1. All living things are composed of 1 or more cells. Some creatures, like bacteria and amoebas, are unicellular. They survive using just one single microscopic cell. But you are multicellular. Your body is built from trillions of specialized cells all working perfectly together. Rule number 2. The cell is the most basic unit of structure and function in all living things. Everything an organism does, like breathing, moving, or growing, actually happens down at this microscopic cellular level. Rule number 3. All new cells are produced from pre-existing cells through a process of cellular division. Whenever you grow taller or heal a scraped knee, your cells are using mitosis to copy and divide. When they divide, cells pass on their DNA, perfectly transferring the genetic blueprint of life to the next generation. Remember the 3 rules. Living things are made of cells. Cells are the basic unit, and cells come from cells. Every living thing is an incredible microscopic machine. Stay curious and keep exploring. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.